Hey folks, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to do a little video today about one of the most important things on your vehicle so that you can see where you're going, and that's your windshield. It'd be mighty uncomfortable if we didn't have windshields traveling at the speeds that we travel, so that windshield, which keeps wind, dirt, dust, and bugs out of our face, is so important. So when you get a chip on your windshield, it's very frustrating. What do? Well, believe it or not, most chips on your windshield can be repaired between 1 and 3 inches at max. Anything beyond that, for the most part, you might want to get the windshield replaced. In addition to that, you can have chips that are out of your line of visibility, probably up to 3 of them on your windshield, before you would want to consider replacing that windshield. In the event that you get a chip and you don't treat it, you are risking having a crack go right across your windshield and impact your immediate visibility. When that happens, you need to get that windshield replaced as soon as possible. Now, when it comes to windshield replacement, what should you do? Well, you should always go with a reputable windshield company, and you need to be aware of whether or not your vehicle requires just a standard windshield and go, or if it's going to require a windshield and programming. A lot of these newer vehicles have these features on them that require a reprogramming once a windshield is in. For example, lane departure and things like that. So what do? Well, your reputable windshield replacement company should have the ability to reprogram most or not all windshields that they sell windshields for. And that would include programming types such as static, dynamic, or dual. Sometimes your windshield replacement may require both types of programming. Make sure that you ask those questions when you book to make sure that the people that you're working with do know what they're doing. For questions about your windshields and more here at DeBoer's Auto, give us a shout. We repair windshields, and we can help connect you with a reputable windshield replacement company that's going to help you stay on the road and have minimal impact to your line of sight. We'll see you soon.